It's cold out here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters in Christ, I need some help this morning. I'm trying to pay my room. Um, on Hotels.com, when I order 10 nights, I usually get the 11th one free. I'm still waiting for my free credit to come through. It probably won't come through till tomorrow. And I really need help to pay my room today. And I have until 12 o'clock to pay it. If anybody can please spare $64 for me and my children. Please. 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 You could please help me. Please. Please help me. Please help me. It's always not supposed to be in that window. If somebody could please help me so we don't have to be out here um, in the clouds. It's raining out here. And there's so much stuff going on here. Finding cheapest room. And there's so much. Man, I'm in smack dab in the middle of the hood. And I never wanted to have my children in a place like this. But this is all I got right now. And it's cold out here. It is so cold out here. Like, the sky is super cloudy. It's been raining this morning. Please, please have a heart. Help me. Help my children. Please. 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 If there's anything that you can do for my family, please go on my PayPal. Please help me. Help my children. I have until 12 o'clock to order my room. Please. 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 Thank you and shalom.